Buckle up, yard pros. This countdown is all about the best cordless hedge trimmer, and it's going to make your pruning faster, cleaner, and more satisfying. We'll break down power, balance, blade quality, and battery life so you know which model earns a place in your shed. Today, I'm going to be going over the best cordless hedge trimmer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This compact tool is built for quick, tidy work in small yards and on tight hedge lines where a power cord would be a nuisance. Its cordless design unlocks true mobility, letting you glide along fences, around garden beds, and under overhanging branches without being tethered to an outlet. The chassis is surprisingly light, with a balanced grip that reduces wrist fatigue during longer sessions, while a comfortable two-hand hold preserves control on uneven terrain. The blade runs smoothly thanks to a dual-action mechanism that dampens vibration and resists jams on moderate growth. A snap-on guard protects fingers during setups, and a simple trigger lock prevents accidental starts near curious pets. Swap blades quickly for different textures, and the quick-release battery makes recharging fast between tasks. Routine maintenance is straightforward. Wipe the blade, lubricate the moving parts, and check alignment before longer jobs. In practice, this hedge trimmer handles hedge trimming with dependable consistency, especially on lighter tasks, and its battery-driven nature keeps your yard work quiet and convenient. Compared to the bush clipper hedge trimmer, which I have included as number 9 on this list, this model emphasizes compact balance and ready-to-go power for quick maintenance tasks. At number 9, we have bush clipper hedge trimmer. Compact, cordless unit designed for nimble control along borders and around ornamental shrubs. The rotatable rear handle makes it possible to attack hedges from challenging angles without changing your stance, while the blade remains sharp and aggressive enough to tackle light to medium growth in a single pass. Weight is distributed to reduce fatigue, enabling comfortable operation a little longer into the day. Expect predictable battery life from a single charge, and a blade coating that fights corrosion and resin buildup in damp climates. User-friendly guard system reduces chips thrown toward your ankles and nearby planters, and the quick connect blade release adds convenience when you need to swap to a narrower trim or thicker branches. Safety features include a lockout switch and ergonomic trigger design that minimizes unintended starts. The trapezoidal blade profile helps with clean face trims along boxwood edges, compared to the Works W-161 hedge trimmer, which I have included as number 8 on this list. The bush clipper emphasizes versatility and angle control, though it may trade some blade reach for lighter weight. At number 8, we have Works W-161 hedge trimmer. This model balances power and accessibility with a 20-inch cutting blade and a well-designed, ergonomic grip that reduces strain over long trimming sessions. The Works platform keeps the weight near the handle, which translates to quicker, confident cuts along mid-sized hedges and topiary forms. Dual-action blade minimizes vibration, helping you maintain accuracy through repetitive passes. The attachment system and tool-free blade adjustments make it easy to tailor the tool for dense boxwood or soft stem shrubs, while a compact battery pack contributes to a low center of gravity for better handling. Short charge times mean less downtime, and LED indicators keep you aware of battery status during longer sessions. A safety lock and blade guard enhance safe use around children and pets. Compared to the Heimpro cordless hedge trimmer, which I have included as number 7 on this list, this Works provides a longer reach with a smoother cut and a broader blade choice, whereas Heimpro leans toward compact, nimble trimming. At number 7, we have Heimpro cordless hedge trimmer. Built for precise shaping and dense growth, this model emphasizes compact ergonomics and steady, predictable power. The two-handed grip is sculpted for comfortable use during hours of sculpting, and the blade profile is optimized for clean face trimming on evergreen hedges and quick top-ups on deciduous varieties. Robust safety switch and locking mechanism help prevent accidental starts in busy yards, while an efficient brushless motor contributes to longer motor life and cooler operation when used on successive passes. The battery system is designed to deliver steady performance across tasks, and the tool accepts readily available replacement blades for different shrub species. Maintenance is straightforward. The blade clean, sharpen as needed, and lubricate the joints to preserve smooth action. Compared to the WorkPro cordless grass trimmer, which I have included as number 6 on this list, Heimpro focuses on hedge precision and compact feel, while WorkPro emphasizes edging versatility and lawn applications. At number 6, we have WorkPro cordless grass trimmer. Although marketed for grass and light shrub work, this model is built to handle edging along borders and narrow walkways with a flexible head that tilts for vertical edge trimming. Weight distribution keeps you balanced while you switch between trimming modes, and the handle grip is designed for comfortable, prolonged sessions. Expect a robust, budget-friendly battery system that supports quick swaps and a decent runtime for suburb yard chores. Cutting line or blade compatibility varies by kit, offering adaptable performance for lighter hedges and growing paths around flower beds. Easy maintenance includes blade guard checks and lubricating the shaft, with a simple release mechanism to swap attachments when needed. Compared to the Craftsman V20 trimmer kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, WorkPro prioritizes basic value and tool versatility, whereas Craftsman provides a more complete hedging kit with accessories. At number 5, we have Craftsman V20 trimmer kit. This package pairs cordless trimming power with a ready-to-use attachment lineup, making it a versatile option for hedges, edging, and light pruning. The V20 platform delivers dependable battery life and reliable torque for routine yard work, while the kit includes a set of blades, a scabbard, and some common attachments that expand its usability beyond trimming alone. Design emphasizes a balanced weight distribution to reduce fatigue during multi-area shaping, and the trigger action responds cleanly for precise cuts. A soft grip handle, a secure battery latch, and a compact form factor contribute to comfortable operation in tight garden corners. Maintenance routine is straightforward. Inspect the blade alignment after use, lubricate moving parts, and store with the blade retracted. Compared to the Varai Cordless Hedge Trimmer, which I have included as number 4 on this list, Craftsman offers a broader kit with more accessories, whereas Varai is built around a lean, dedicated hedge trimming experience. At number 4, we have Varai Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This model brings a streamlined, single-purpose design focused on efficient hedge shaping for homeowners who value simplicity and reliability. The blade is sharp and responsive, enabling quick nips along the top of hedges and out-of-reach profiles without requiring a lot of force. Comfortable, cushioned handle helps reduce fatigue, while a safety guard protects hands during close work near fences or brittle bark. Battery operation keeps your workspace clean and free of cords, and the tool is designed for straightforward maintenance. A quick blade rinse after heavy trimming, occasional lubrication, and blade tension checks. Compact form makes storage a breeze, and the guard housing minimizes debris kickback during heavy growth. Compared to the Black+Decker hedge trimmer, which I have included as number 3 on this list, Varai emphasizes a cleaner line and simpler maintenance, while Black+Decker leans toward a more rugged, feature-rich footprint. At number 3, we have Black+Decker hedge trimmer. Known for robust performance, this model delivers solid trimming power with a straightforward, reliable platform. The design emphasizes durability and a longer cutting stroke, enabling efficient shaping of larger hedges and thicker branches within reason. Comfortable slanted grip supports natural wrist alignment, while the blade coating resists resin buildup in damp conditions. The battery life is dependable for mid-sized jobs, and the tool tolerates frequent centerpiece trimming in mixed garden layouts. Blade guard and a safety lock help prevent mishaps in busy yards, and a user-friendly tension system keeps the blade aligned for consistent performance. Maintenance is easy. Wipe down after use, inspect for nicks, and reapply lubrication on the pivot points. Compared to the Greenworks 40V hedge trimmer, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Black+Decker prioritizes rugged durability and blade leverage, whereas Greenworks focuses on modern efficiency and lighter weight. At number 2, we have Greenworks 40V hedge trimmer. This model stands out for its balance of value, performance, and compatibility with other tools in the 40-volt family. The 40-volt platform delivers solid cutting power for common hedge tasks while keeping weight reasonable, which translates into comfortable use during longer trimming sessions. The blade length is sufficient for efficient coverage of mid-sized hedges, and the dual-action design helps to minimize vibration and create cleaner cuts on both evergreen and deciduous specimens. Battery swaps easily with other Greenworks tools, and recharge times are moderate, meaning you spend less time waiting and more time trimming. A safety trigger and blade guard prevent accidental starts, and the tool's overall footprint fits well in smaller sheds or garages. Compared to the Dualt hedge trimmer, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Greenworks offers a more budget-friendly option with broad ecosystem compatibility, while Dualt leans toward premium build quality and higher torque for faster, deeper cuts. At number 1, we have Dualt hedge trimmer. This top entry emphasizes premium construction, strong cutting power, and durability designed for demanding yard work. The build quality feels solid in hand, with a balanced chassis that helps you maintain control through long shaping sessions on dense hedges. Robust motor delivers steady torque across tough growth, paired with a blade geometry that delivers clean, polished faces without excessive passes. Ergonomics are thoughtful, with a soft grip handle and a weight distribution that minimizes fatigue when trimming from a leaning position or on uneven ground. Battery integration is designed for rapid recharge and consistent performance across heavy use, while the guard and safety features protect hands during close trimming. Routine maintenance remains straightforward. The blade clean, lubricate, and verify alignment after use. Compared to the Greenworks 40V hedge trimmer, which I have included as number 2 on this list, DeWalt offers a more premium feel and faster cutting potential, whereas Greenworks emphasizes ecosystem compatibility and value.